gentlemen, welcome to Zagreb School of Economics and Management.
One of the hardest things to predict, in my opinion, is correlation.
The key in any of these changes is that you accept the fact that you don't know where all the changes are going to end up, and you don't need to know. It's kind of fun not knowing, because if you knew how your life is going to play out, what's the point of living?
Industrial revolution that is happening out there obviously is tackling international company in every branch, in every industry, in every aspect of our business operation.
We have to articulate, we have to move learning in an even more personalized manner in the future.
Digital transformation is the most global process ever. We can be visionaries in robotics, in blockchain, in anything, but in fact it's not important because this is going to transform us.
You work all night. I mean, that's what you do. So it's not easy, and it's a lot of hard work, but it pays off. And I think what is exciting about it is that it is so dynamic, it is so creative. And then once you've gone through that all-nighter and you can hardly see, then you see the product and you see what comes with that. And that's what, really where the love comes from, because it's just such an amazing experience to be part of a great brand.